Tuesday of every single week is a very busy day for both of you. Because Tuesday, you both do extra effort to validate and ensure that we're building to the standard that we have set and the highest quality for our dealers and our customers, and ensure that they're happy after the purchase for many years. So what I want to do here on camera, and thank you both for taking time to just outline what you guys do and what is the intention of why you do it. So Sean, as our general manager at DRV, what do we do every Tuesday, and why, from your leadership, is it important that we continue to do what you and the team do every single Tuesday of the week?
Well, every single Tuesday we have a Product Audit Walk.
Okay.
That's going to be myself. That includes Chad Olinger, Director of Customer Relations. We have our production managers out. We have our operations manager out. And we're basically going to go through every single unit that's been PDI'd, that's ready to go out that door. And we're going to give it our own quality check, so to speak. We're looking for anything that may have been missed during the PDI process. I guess our way of looking at it is another set of eyes versus the normal set of eyes that go through it. Something a little bit better.
When we build our coaches, we're not the typical RV manufacturer where we're making 30 of these a day. Our typical lead time, full disclosure, is usually about 20 weeks, right? From handshake to touchdown, we're looking at about 20 weeks. Just so everybody understands, we go through basically a 5-step audit process where we're gonna go through and power up all the electrical, test it for operation. We're gonna go on the interior, do visual inspections. We're gonna ensure that all the screws are in place, everything else, right? Are you taking notes? Are you considering different processes to further improve our ability to manufacture these? Can you get us, from your standpoint, the value of doing this on Tuesday?
Well, I think that you talked about production building the unit and PDI finishing it out and inspecting. Those are all great, right? But then that doesn't really give us a perspective of what sales sees. Those audits, the product audit on Tuesday is always led by a sales team member. That's going to give us feedback from the field, because whatever they hear out in the field is what they're going to look for. Well, when they're leading those audits, we have our production team members, our quality team members, engineers, sometimes purchasing gets involved, and we're all walking behind them, taking notes on what they're seeing. We're visually inspecting at the same time. If we see something we don't like, then we also jump in and say, hey, we're not quite sure about this. We need to pay it more attention. Also on Tuesdays, we have our entire group PD meetings, which is product development meetings. And that involves all those same members. And we get together now on Zoom conferences every Tuesday to go through that sort of thing. And a lot of the audit stuff might come up in those meetings too.
You know, the one thing that I admire most with you, Sean, and your leadership is, when I came in here, you've never once said, DRV is the greatest. We are perfect. We are the best. You're listening to our DRV owners. You're looking at the issues and saying, hey, is this something that we can have a corrective action for? Is it a manufacturing process? Is it a supplied part? We commit to getting better every single day. We are striving to do things like this and continuing to listen to our owners, our dealers, and what the customers want. I, again, just applaud both of you. This is a decision that you guys are committed to, and it's great to see our entire company embracing it and doing it every single Tuesday. So thank you guys so much for everything that you're doing, and looking forward to just sharing more about all the actions you guys are taking for those that we serve.